Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are returning, welcome on back. So today's look is all about Earth Day inspired looks today. So I have the sea, the grass, whatever. I was just being as extra as possible to raise awareness on how we as people can contribute to the protection of the earth that we live, breathe, walk, work. Basically, we do everything in. I'll leave all the links down below for how you can help contribute this Earth Day any way you can. Any help is better than no help at all. But yeah, if you are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, keep on watching. Alright, so going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color medium, I'm just going to go ahead and prime my entire eyelids and be very, very generous for this particular look. I know Tarte has been under some scrutiny, but hey, it still works for me. So yeah, I'm gonna keep using it. And make sure you get into the crevices too, so you don't have those like streaky marks in your inner corner, because that is not cute at all. Trust me, I've been there. All right, and then with my Cover FX loose powder in the color light, I'm just going to set everything in place to make sure that we can go about our business unharmed. So using my Morphe 3502 palette, I'm just gonna go in with this nice neutral brown shade, and I'm just going to buff that into my crease. I love it as a transition color, as well as a color that I can use on my eyelids. So taking this brick color, I'm just gonna go in with the same brush, and I'm just going to buff that into my crease as well, give me a nice reddish brown gradient look that I love, okay? So just watch me work. So I'm not taking this color all the way around my crease, just kind of from the outer corner to the middle, because there's a look in my head that I want. So I'm trying to get there. So just bear with me. And I'm kind of pulling this color out now that I don't have as much on my brush to give me those nice earthy tones. There's a method to my madness, I promise. I promise there's a method to my madness. All right, and so next I'm just gonna be taking this deeper brown color. I absolutely love this color for my outer corners to give me more definition. So I'm just gonna work this, I believe this color is Muddy. That's the only color that I remember in this palette, but I'm just gonna take this color and just mark the V shape in my outer corner and just blend that till I like what I see. And I'm kind of trying to draw a nice little triangle. One, to help me guide my wing liner at the end of the look, and then two, just give me just a little bit more definition how I like, a little dimension, something extra, because I'm extra. All right, now that I have that situated, I'm just gonna go ahead with that same blending brush and just kind of buff out the harsh lines and make sure everything is just, you know, cute. All right, so I don't know exactly what I want to do, but since this is an earthy tone, Earth Day inspired look, let's try green. So I'm just gonna go into my 39A Dare to Create Morphe palette, and I'm just gonna be taking this green right here, and I'm just going to be dabbing it all over my lids just to see what happens. We gonna need a little primer water for this one. All right, so I'm just gonna take my Prep and Prime, and I'm just gonna wet my brush. Be very generous, and I'm just gonna go back in with that green color and work it out. And I'm pulling down on my eyelids instead of patting, because I just want to get a nice little shape first, and then I can pat the rest of the way, because I want everything to look seamless, you know? So There's a method to my madness. I know some of y'all makeup artists is like, what the hell is she doing? There are no rules in makeup, okay? No rules. And also, this is not the right size shader brush that I'm using, so I gotta really work extra carefully to make sure that I don't do too much and mess everything up. Not bad, girl, not bad at all. Okay, okay. It's missing something. I don't know what, but it's missing something. So you know what I'm gonna do? I kind of want to add blue, but I don't want to mess up the good work that I have going on so far. Like, I don't think I want to do that. Oh my goodness, makeup can be so stressful. All right, so we're gonna go back in with that muddy deep brown color again from my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm just going to just add a little bit more definition where the green and the brown shadow meet. Then per usual, blend it out a little bit, make sure we have no harsh lines and everything is sleek and on fleek. See what I did there? All right, so I have decided to take a risk. So since this is Earth Day inspired, so we have the ground, we have the dirt, we have the grass. All we're missing now is water, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna be taking my Jordana liquid eyeliner pencil in the color Aqua Stone, and I'm going to place this somewhere. I don't know where, but I am. So I mix in primer water with the eye pencil a little bit to give it just a little bit more color. And don't feel like you have to rush because this is definitely a more detailed look, so take your time because you cannot go backwards. Trust me, I have tried. Alright, so once you have the intensity that you like, because basically what I did was I outlined where I wanted the line to be, so at this point I can just take my eye pencil now and just kind of work it where I want to. So I'm just gonna hold my breath and try to finish this thing on out. All right, whew, much better. So I'm gonna do the other eye off screen, but as you can tell, I literally like just took a chunk off of this pencil, kind of wished it around on my hand with a liner brush, and I just kind of worked out the outline on my on my eyelids, and then once I got it to where I wanted to, I literally just filled in with the actual pencil itself. I'm just gonna do the other side, the exact same thing off camera, so be right back. All right, so both eyes, I'm really loving what I see right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just kind of dust off the extra fallout, whatever you might have. And if I see kind of like this green cast right here, I need to go grab some makeup wipes and go ahead and handle that. Ooh, wait, girl. I had to bring Cher back out this week, y'all. I had to bring Cher back out to play, okay? This look is fire, okay? If you don't think it's fire, you're a hater, okay? This look is bomb AF. I really need to find me some plans because I have none so far. So I need to be getting on my phone and figuring out what I'm gonna do because this look is bomb, okay? But yeah, anyways, I digress. If you like the look, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, yo, I don't know what's going on with you. It literally takes 2 seconds to hit the subscribe button and you're in there, okay? That's it. That's it, okay? But yeah, that is all the time that your girl has today with y'all. But remember, until my next upload, seriously, the kindness doesn't cost you a thing, but your attitude will cost you everything. So remember to be kind and be you.